You're trash.
I want to see you try.
Okay.
You're trash also.
You guys are both trash.
How to do a slap shot. First, you have to put your hand more farther than you would on a wrist shot, because on a wrist shot, you would put it right here. So, in a wrist shot, you shoot like this. But in a slap shot, you have to put your hand right a little bit farther. So when you go, you shoot. You have to bend this knee again, and then you have to follow through. So like, follow through. And you have to like you're doing a lunge or something. I'm teaching you how to do a wrist shot. So first, you gotta get the puck starting from your heel, right here. Start it here. So when you shoot, the puck goes. So look, it goes. Now, you get it from your heel. Bend your knees from the heel and shoot. And then your stick has to go follow through. And then when I'm shooting, my knee has to bend a little bit. So